You can lead the way. Hope had to bring her cat Mittens on our little snowshoeing adventure, didn't you, Hope? Which way are you going, my little muffin? That way? Here, come over here so we don't have to go through the trees. She's a pro. See, when you live in the mountains and it snows all the time, you better find stuff to do. You can tell she's the short stack of this operation because she's taking me through trees. Yeah. Hi, everybody. Grammy forgot her glasses. I feel naked. On top of feeling naked, I can't see. You would have thought I would have figured that out before I got out here, but oh well. So pretty out here, though. Even if I don't like the snow, it is pretty.
Grammy, look at this baby tree.
Looks like a Charlie Brown wannabe tree.
Yeah. What is a wannabe anyway?
A wannabe is something aspiring to be something else. Yeah, go that way. Take us through the bushes.
It's going to be a tricky adventure.
It's going to be a tricky adventure because Grammy is the one that's going to get whacked with the tree branch.
Yeah.
And then you're just going to have to pick me up off the snow and drag me home. Following the deer trail. Figure if the deer can go that way, we can go that way, right, Hope? That's right. Pick up them tracks, girlfriend. Ooh, careful. I will wait here. That's right, so I don't get whacked in the chops. Poppy was not wanting. You really are going the hard way, aren't you, darling? I don't think I'm going that way. I'm coming this way. Well, I can't fit through there. Come follow Grammy. Grammy's like 4 times your size. I'll be right here. I won't leave you. Come on. Are you stuck? What are you stuck on? How did you get stuck? How did you get stuck on the tree? Oh, are you unstuck? Oh, good, because Grammy almost just fell. All right, let's go this way. Come on. You're supposed to be blazing this. You're supposed to be blazing this trail.
All right, Grammy.
All right.
I'm in the lead.
All right. Don't steer me wrong. Good idea.
Make sure that you don't put icicles at yourself.
Okay. I will try hard not to. She goes through without whack. Huh? I don't think there's really a trail that way. You kind of have to stick to See, look at, there's deer tracks again. Follow them deer. Yeah, it might be. Oh, look. Over here. It's like a little wannabe tree house, I guess.
Is that a tree house?
It looks like somebody thought about making a tree house at one time.
Grammy, my butt is cold.
Your butt is cold.
Because I had snow on my butt.
How did you get snow on your butt?
Because I was walking in and I got snow on my butt.
I'm not sure how that works, but okay.
What?
You're walking and you got snow on your butt.
Your snowshoes throw snow.
They're throwing snow at your butt?
Yeah.
Maybe you need new snowshoes. They're throwing snow at your butt. Decided that we're going to walk a different trail, so we're going through our whole apartment complex to get to the other side, which is pretty long. All the way down there. So, we live in the woods.
That way.
The apartment complex in the woods, right? Oh, I forgot how much work this is.
Yeah.
My legs are gonna hurt tomorrow. And it's all Hope's fault.
No, it's all your fault.
All right, we got to the trail finally. Let's turn this puppy around. There we go. We made it to the trail. Are you gonna go first, Hope, or is Grammy?
I am.
All right, then get in the lead. Since snow keeps accumulating on my snowshoe. Down the hill we go. No, don't run, don't run. You don't have your poles, and yeah, it's not a good idea. Your grandmother will catch up sooner or later. I keep, it's kind of like snowballs rolling downhill.
Come here, Grammy.
No, honey, it's not that. That's not the problem. The problem is my snowshoe keeps collecting snow.
Oh.
And every time it does, look at that big hunk of snow. Look at it. It makes it so you can't put your foot down. All right, time out. There. Did you see that big hunk? Winter Wonderland's trying to take me out. And now it's official. I've lost my sock. My sock is now floating around inside of my boot. I'm so glad that I'm so entertaining. Grammy, well, it's true. I have a floating sock. Apparently. No, I can't fix that sock. It's mighty cold out here. That sock can just continue to float.